Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start now, back up critical files, and make sure you have a restore point. This protects you if something goes wrong. You should then uninstall apps you don't use and open Task Manager to disable unnecessary startup programs. This speeds boot time. Once done, check disk health and free at least 10%-15% of drive space so Windows can manage paging and updates efficiently. Make sure to reboot after these initial steps to apply startup changes before moving on. Next, perform a deep cleanup. Run disk cleanup or storage sense to remove temp files, update cache, and old installers. This reduces background work. If you have an HDD, defragment it. If you have an SSD, run the trim/optimize routine. Both are in the same tool. Once done, open Performance Options and set Visual Effects to prioritize performance or customize to keep a balance. You'll notice smoother UI and lower disk activity when these maintenance and visual settings are aligned. Finish by updating drivers, especially GPU and chipset, and installing all pending Windows updates. Firmware updates can fix performance bugs. Then limit background apps in settings and choose a balanced or high-performance power plan depending on your needs. Once configured, restart and test typical workflows. If you run into problems, boot into safe mode to isolate the issue, use System Restore to roll back recent changes, or perform a Windows reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.